Right, okay. So today I am going to be trying out VMware and VirtualBox on a VM in Linux running Ubuntu, which is still currently downloading, but it will be done shortly. So I've downloaded pretty much all the files, just waiting on Ubuntu. So I am just going to install it. So dpkg -i sudo dpkg-i and then VirtualBox. So that's installed. How do I install a .bundle file? Huh, interesting. Do I just click on it? Okay. How to install VMware bundle Linux. Open a terminal. Change directory with a sudo. Oh. So if I go sudo sh VMware workstation to install sudo sh well, this doesn't really make sense because oh, there you go. I think I've got somewhere. Okay, just checking it's working, configuring. Okay, so let's open up VirtualBox, Oracle VirtualBox. Okay, so it's installing that. Right, so now anyone who doesn't know how to set up a VM, I'll show you. So you click new at the top, and then you need to give the machine a name. Excuse me, sorry. So I'm going to call it Ubuntu, just because that's what it is, and then you give it a location to save. I want to put it in my documents, new folder, VMs. You can always move the VMs as well. The only thing is you'll have to make sure you relocate them. Okay. So it's Ubuntu. Next, we're gonna give. Let's give 4 gigabytes. I'll give 4 gigabytes to each one. Create a virtual hard disk. Okay, that will. Let's give like 15. That'll do. Okay. So that's pretty simple. Now I like to go in and let's give 2 CPUs. Depending on your system will be depending on how much RAM. The amount of RAM you can give, it's up to you. It could probably run off 512, but it'll be very sluggish. One will be. I've got the resources to give it 4 gigabytes, so I'm happy with that. I'd give it about at least 2 CPU cores, I mean, your computer would probably have to be pretty low end. If you really have to put it on one, put it on one, but obviously. And then I swear that isn't there a display. So I'll just put video memory on full. Okay, now is that installed? Okay, so VMware player. In fact, let me open it on a new. Okay. I hope that works. I haven't made any videos in a while on my channel. Non-commercial use. Password. Thank you for using VMware. Now, I've never used this before, so use a physical drive. Use an ISO image. Oh, do I have to put the Ubuntu? Alright, okay. Okay, next. Okay, so for the password, I'm just going to put 123. 123. Is that a password for Linux? I think it is. 64-bit. Build VMware. Documents, VMs. That'll do. Just use that. Okay, so makes it easier to move virtual machines and a computer. Okay, that'll do. 20 gigabytes. Okay. So that's that one running. And now let's boot up. So now I've got to add it to. So if I remove this, remove, add optical, add. I don't know whether I can install two at the same time, but we're going to find out. So if I click choose, okay. Okay, now let's start that. Okay. Okay, so we've got VirtualBox on one and VMware on another. Oh, I wonder if they'll work at the same time. That is actually curious. I don't think it knows what to do. Oh, okay. Okay, that was very loud. Right, let's install it. Normal. Let's do minimal. Download. My internet's slow, so I don't want to start installing. And just for the purpose of this video, really. Right, okay, so erase, yeah, that'll do. It's only a virtual machine, so just go for the setup process. I'm in London, that'll do. Okay, so I'm going to call it Bill. 123, 123. Continue. Right, now it's installing. So now let's... Wait, is this just installing? Oh, is this just doing that automatically? Oh, okay. Right. Yeah, sorry, I had to jump that. It took way longer than I thought it would to install. But this one has come up with a restart prompt, and this one is currently by what it looks to be restarting. So we'll have a look at this one. Well, we'll restart this one, and then hopefully Installing open VM tools. Okay, so that one's opening some tools up. Right, let's hit enter on that, see what happens on this. Hopefully, I can just... Right, so 1, 2, 3 is the password. Just skip all this. Okay, so I'm on the desktop on that one. And I'm on the desktop on this one as well. Oh. Okay, so VMware seems to be better. I've never used VMware before. I've used VirtualBox, but it actually defaults to full screen, whereas this, I bet, will either end up having to... So... Where's 1920? Right, we'll try 1980 by 1080. Right, we'll keep that. But then you have to scroll, and it's just really awkward. How about... Let's try... Okay, that's 16... 1280 by 800. Okay, that's better, I guess, but it's still... Right. Now let's try and get a file over to them. So if I if I make a file called transfer, let's call it share VM, make directory, and then if I touch documents and share VM and then make test.txt and then I echo documents share test.txt and type in this is a test. Okay, so if I cat documents share VM test, this is a test. Okay, that didn't work for some reason, but okay, cat documents share test. This is a test. Okay. So now, if we go machine settings, shared folders, machine. Oh, add a shared folder. Folder to path. Other documents. Oh yeah, I wonder if you could share the VM folder to see what happens. Right, so share VM, we'll have that. Auto mount, it doesn't matter. Yeah, well, whatever. Okay, so remind me later. Okay, so how if I go F disk? Let's see what comes up. -L sudo fdisk. Okay, so we've got SDA1. We've got a loop, a loop, a loop, a loop, a loop. Okay. Other locations, networks. Okay, now let's try and do it in here, because I have no idea how you actually do it on. In fact, that is one of the issues I had. Okay, yeah, let's suspend it for now and see. Okay, taking its sweet time. Okay. Okay, it crashed. So that's insufficient. What? Error opening virtual machine. Oh, I think it is. Okay. Virtual machine. Removable devices. Install removable devices. Is the settings just everything? Hardware. Options. Shared folders. Right, so we add one. We go to the path. And we go to documents. Share VM. Let's use that one. I'm gonna go share. I'm gonna call it share from parrot. Save. Okay. So, shall we just reboot the machine? Reboot. Because that seems to be quite fast. Okay. Ubuntu. Is it because I clicked Control Alt Delete? I was trying to get me mouse out. Oh, there it is. Okay. You know what? This one can power down, because, well, oh, actually, I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll wait for this one to boot up, and then, right, so, okay. Now, the reason why I restarted it is just so, okay, it's not classed as a floppy disk. Okay, that's the locations, computer. Well, you know what? I'm probably not the best person to ask. I've had a look around on the internet for how to do it on VMware, and I literally can't find anything, so... Wait, what did I name it? Right, let's just go shared folders, so I named it properties. Right, let's share from parrot with capital SFP. Okay, so if we open up the terminal, and if we do sudo update db, Okay. Locate share from parrot. Apt install locate. Okay, that was easy. So locate. Okay, yeah, that works. Okay. Right, so locate parrot share VM. Wait, what was it called? Yeah, I have no idea. Share VM. Share. Oh, no, it's not share VM. Oh, it's share from parrot. Shared memory, troubleshooting. Yeah, I have no idea. Expose files and programs and this may put your computer and your data at risk. Only. Yeah, okay. Well, so that was good, but I think I prefer VMware actually. It just seems to work better. So, thanks for watching. If you got this far, please comment, like, and subscribe. I'd like to know your thoughts, or if there's anything you'd like me to look at.